always annoys the Martin. I've made, played around with some of the cocktails. I bought some of the food because the supermarket was pretty empty. So I'm going to have to go back to the supermarket tomorrow. But I've got a whole bunch of things and now I'm about to make the cakes. 1 chocolate for the bottom tier and a lemon poppy seed for the top tier. Okay, cakes are in the oven. Oh my god. Okay, the oven does not look that dirty outside of the camera. That just makes it look really, really bad. Okay, hashtag cleaning that after the cakes come out. Martin asked me why I put tea towels around the cake tins, and it's because if you wet them, make them really cold, it helps cakes cook more evenly because it keeps the outside a bit cooler because the outside heats up first, I think. I mean, I'm no expert, but that's just what I learned many, many years ago. We're starting to cross things off of lists, which is great. Food, cake done, so that's in the oven. That's in the oven. I've got vanilla buttercream icing here. I don't know if I do the buttercream for that, and then the cream cheese icing for this one, but this is the top tier, so it's a double tier cake. So I don't know whether having 2 icings would look weird, especially if the buttercream is a bit yellowy because our butter's quite yellow. So I don't know what to think about that, but got a few things ticked off here, so that's good. The balloons have arrived. So this is kind of the theme we're going for, these colours here. So I need to go get some paint to paint the backdrop to match these. Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as yesterday. I figure I'm doing more baking and stuff today. And the shirt's already messy, so I'm just going to continue to get it messy. So I've pulled out the ice from yesterday. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to put it into a container and put it in the deep freeze so I can make some more. Right. Get ice out. Oops, this one broke. Never mind. Chuck it in there. These ones are the lemon ones. Look quite cute. They just need a little teasing out, but these are. Oh, how cute are they? So these ones are for drinks. Whereas the big ones have to go in like a tub to keep like cans of Coke and stuff cold. And that's what they look like all done. So I'm going to put them in the deep freeze and then refill these and do some more. After a hard day of shopping for this party.
It was a hard day shopping.
A hard day shopping. I decided to stop and get a freak shake each. And then Martin got a burger and I got a toasted sandwich with fries and chocolate freak shake.
Yes, it's
It's probably got matcha in it. What flavour's your macaron?
can't tell whether it was
Chocolate.
cinnamon.
I knew I wouldn't be able to fit a burger in. Although I'm not sure I can fit all this in either. I'm sure you'll help me. I think he liked it. I've still got some left, but I am full. So it's Martin's birthday on Monday, turning 35 years old. I'm already 35, so I'm a little bit older than him. 35. So I'm taking him out birthday shopping.
She didn't take me out. I said, let's go to Farmers.
I'm taking him out birthday shopping at Farmers. We're actually here to look for a mattress for the Moses basket too. Oh, I'll go try those on.
He's a very dressy shirt. It's like work, businessy.
Oh yeah, we're trying to find a shirt for him to wear to the baby shower on Saturday too.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, I don't. It's very lumberjack, isn't it?
Here we go. Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. What? Discount. Oh my god. Jeez. Just a little bit tight.
It's quite tight.
It's doing the thing that happens when my boobs are popping out. It's a shame because it's actually quite a nice shirt.
I mean, I could wear it. It's just very long.
Can't have no party marty in that.
What do you mean?
You wouldn't be able to bust a move.
It's a nice top, though.
Yeah. That sucks. It's too small.
What? Do you reckon it is too small?
Yeah. While you get changed to the other one, I'll go check that there isn't any more of those.
Put it over top.
Yeah.
Maybe this is too small. What size is it?
You know those things that people wear when they go fishing? That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it does look like a fishing boot. What size is this?
That's really nice though. I like that.
Yeah, I like the juicy. And did you find another shirt?
No.
No, I really like it.
Juicy's nice.
I really thought that was going to look different.
I didn't know babies could hiccup in your tummy.
Definitely got the hiccups.
How I get rid of the hiccups is I drink water. That's obviously where its mouth is. Definitely has the hiccups.
Does. I'm not getting a very good reading of the heart rate though because hiccup.